The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 100, effective until midnight Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Arkansas, Columbia and Union, and the following parishes in Louisiana, Claiborne and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 100 has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Arkansas, Columbia and Union, and the following parishes in Louisiana, Claiborne and Union.